Unveiling your brain's hidden secrets. The amazing blind spot. Ever wonder if you're truly seeing everything around you? Prepare to be amazed. This isn't just about vision. It's about how your brain actively constructs your reality. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of your blind spot and discover how your brain cleverly fills in the gaps, creating a seamless visual experience. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets your eyes are hiding. The blind spot, also known as the optic disc, is a small but significant area nestled within each of your eyes. It's the point where the optic nerve, the superhighway of visual information, exits the retina on its journey to your brain. Think of it as a tiny exit ramp on the visual highway. This specific area is unique because it lacks photoreceptor cells, the rods and cones, which are the light-sensitive cells responsible for capturing the visual world. Without these photoreceptors, this area is essentially blind to incoming light. This means that any object or image that falls directly onto this spot cannot be seen. That's the million-dollar question. If we all have this blind spot, why aren't we constantly bumping into furniture or missing crucial details in our surroundings? The answer lies in the remarkable adaptability and ingenuity of our brains. Firstly, our two eyes work in perfect harmony. The blind spots in each eye are positioned differently, meaning they don't overlap. What one eye misses, the other eye readily picks up. It's like having a backup camera system for your vision. Secondly, and perhaps even more fascinating, our brains actively fill in the missing information. This isn't just a passive process, it's an active construction of reality. Your brain uses the surrounding visual information, patterns, colors, and even past experiences to create a seamless and continuous image, effectively masking the blind spot. It's like a skilled artist seamlessly patching a small hole in a masterpiece. Ready to witness this phenomenon firsthand? These simple demonstrations will allow you to locate your blind spot and appreciate the incredible work your brain does every second of every day. Grab a piece of paper, a pen, and prepare to be amazed. This experiment is a classic for a reason. It's incredibly effective and easy to perform. It's a direct demonstration of how your blind spot works and how your brain compensates for it. Prepare your canvas. On a piece of paper or card, draw a dot and a cross. Make sure they are distinct and easily visible. Position them a few inches apart from each other horizontally. Focus and close. Hold the card at arm's length, directly in front of you. Close your left eye and focus your right eye intently on the cross. The vanishing point. While maintaining your focus on the cross, slowly move the card closer to your face. Pay close attention to the dot in your peripheral vision. Abracadabra! At a certain point, as the card gets closer, the dot will mysteriously disappear. This is the moment when the image of the dot falls directly onto your blind spot. Reverse the magic. Continue moving the card closer. The dot will reappear once its image moves out of your blind spot. You can repeat this process several times to clearly identify the location of your blind spot. This variation of the dot and cross experiment takes it a step further, showcasing how your brain not only fills in missing information, but also creates continuous patterns. Add a line. Draw a straight line that passes directly through both the dot and the cross on your card. Repeat the steps. Follow the same steps as in the previous experiment. Close one eye, focus on the cross, and slowly move the card closer to your face. The illusion of continuity. As the dot disappears, notice what happens to the line. Instead of seeing a broken line with a gap where the dot used to be, you'll likely perceive a continuous, unbroken line. Brain power in action. This demonstrates how your brain actively fills in the missing segment of the line, creating a complete and continuous visual experience, even though a portion of it is falling on your blind spot. Understanding the blind spot isn't just a fun science experiment. It offers valuable insights into how our brains work and how we perceive the world around us. It highlights the fact that our vision isn't a passive recording of reality, but an active construction. This understanding has implications in various fields, including neuroscience. Studying the blind spot helps researchers understand how the brain processes visual information, compensates for missing data, and creates a coherent representation of the world. Psychology. It sheds light on the processes of perception, attention, and cognitive biases. It reminds us that our perception is subjective and influenced by our brain's interpretations. Art and design. Artists and designers can use this knowledge to create visual illusions and manipulate perception. Driver safety. While our brains compensate for the blind spot, it's still important to be aware of its existence, especially when driving. Checking blind spots before changing lanes is crucial for avoiding accidents. The blind spot is just one example of the many fascinating visual illusions that reveal the inner workings of our brains. Exploring other illusions can further enhance your understanding of perception and cognition. Optical illusions. These illusions exploit the way our brains process shapes, colors, and patterns, leading to misinterpretations of size, distance, or movement. Examples include the Mueller-Lyer illusion, the Ponzo illusion, and the checker shadow illusion. Motion illusions. These illusions create the perception of movement even when the image is static. Examples include the rotating snakes illusion and the Fraser spiral illusion. Color illusions. These illusions demonstrate how our perception of color is influenced by the surrounding colors and context. Examples include the simultaneous contrast illusion and the Bezold effect. The purpose of this exploration is not just to demonstrate a scientific phenomenon, but to ignite your curiosity about the human brain and the fascinating world of perception. By understanding how our brains work, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and adaptability of the human mind. This knowledge can empower us to become more critical thinkers. Recognizing that our perception is subjective and influenced by biases can help us become more critical thinkers and evaluate information more objectively. Improve our communication skills. Understanding how others perceive the world can help us communicate more effectively and avoid misunderstandings. Enhance our creativity. Exploring visual illusions can inspire creativity and innovation in art, design, and other fields. Appreciate the beauty of the human mind. The human brain is an incredible organ, capable of complex thought, emotion, and perception. By understanding its inner workings, we can appreciate its beauty and potential. The blind spot demonstration can be tailored to engage different audiences, from elementary school students to college students and adults. Elementary school students. Focus on the fun and interactive aspects of the demonstration. Use simple language and visual aids to explain the concept of the blind spot. Encourage students to explore the demonstration with their friends and family. Middle school students. Introduce the scientific concepts behind the blind spot, such as photoreceptor cells and the optic nerve. Discuss the role of the brain in filling in missing information. High school students. Explore the implications of the blind spot in various fields, such as neuroscience, psychology, and art. Encourage students to research other visual illusions and present their findings to the class. College students and adults. Delve into the more complex aspects of perception and cognition. Discuss the philosophical implications of the blind spot and its relationship to reality. The blind spot demonstration is a powerful tool for understanding how our brains work and how we perceive the world around us. It's a reminder that our vision is not a passive recording of reality, but an active construction. By exploring the blind spot and other visual illusions, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and adaptability of the human mind. This understanding can empower us to become more critical thinkers, improve our communication skills, enhance our creativity, and appreciate the beauty of the human mind. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep unlocking your potential by understanding your perception. Now that you've uncovered the secrets of your blind spot, it's time to take your exploration further. Share this knowledge. Show this demonstration to your friends and family and spark their curiosity about the human brain. Explore other visual illusions. Search online for optical illusions or visual illusions and prepare to be amazed by the tricks your brain can play. Research the neuroscience of vision. Delve into the scientific literature and learn more about how the brain processes visual information. Leave a comment below. Share your experiences with the blind spot demonstration and let us know what you found most fascinating. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing demonstrations and explorations of the human brain. Don't just passively observe the world. Actively engage with it, question your perceptions, and unlock the full potential of your amazing brain.